Hi friends, this is Shiv and Savi from SNS Family First. So Shiv, you had promised a lot of health hacks for our viewers. So do share some health hacks with us.
Oh, sure. So, we have been seeing intimacy hacks, parental hacks. We have been also seeing hacks to reduce our stress. Now, today we'll see a health hack for the first time. Now, acupressure experts say your entire health lies in your hands. Now, usually, when you have a health problem, we go to the doctor, we get a CT scan, and sometimes you have a endo scan, or you go and you check up your abdomens, you have a scan to find out how your organs function.
Correct.
But we can also scan it through our hands.
Oh,
Through our hands, we can know how our body functions. Let me give a simple hack today. Now, this finger represents water. Now, simple. If you all remember, whenever you wanted to go to the restroom, you did that, correct? It represents water. Easy to remember. This finger, it represents earth. Why it represents earth is because men, when they put this ring, you cannot fly any longer in your life. You have to settle down. This ring means you have landed on earth. You are there. So remember this. This is earth. This is, when you get upset with somebody, you use this finger for an expression. That means go to space. Go to space. Get away. Okay, go to the cosmos. This finger, you would have seen the cricket umpire use it. How's that? He uses this finger. That means what? You get back to air. You get into the air. So you can't be in the ground, you go to the air, you're out of the stadium, you're out of the pitch. And this finger, thumbs up. Yes, man. That means you're fired up, you're pumped up. Let's recall again water. And this is, you'll remember this. All men will remember. Earth, space, air. How's that?
Air.
Fire.
fire.
Now, here is the hack. This is your water finger and this is the earth finger. Between water and earth, there is an interface. This is your pancreas. Press hard here. Press really hard here. Are you getting shooting pain? That means the pancreas has got a problem and possibly the person is pre-diabetic or diabetic or advanced diabetic. So this is a scan to know whether the pancreas is functioning or not. Between water and earth. Now between earth and the cosmos, from cosmos you get air which gets into your earth. So between earth and cosmos you have your lungs. Press hard over here. Here is a sensor. This sensor will indicate whether your lungs is in top gear. Usually you notice smokers, chain smokers, they will be having the lung problem. Or people in highly polluted regions, just press over here, you will know. So this is a scan that the lungs is not functioning well and possibly you have to stop smoking or you have to get into a less polluted area. Mm-hmm. And then you have space over here and air over here. And this is where between space and air is where you're getting stressed. Wherever there is stress, there is tension, adrenal organs work. They secrete cortisol. Adrenal. Don't have to remember those names. So whenever you're getting too stressed, you can make out high stress is going to create pain over here. So you can notice at this interface.
I can feel the pain.
Yes. Oh, you're highly stressed because he's sitting next to me. And then you have air and you have earth. So between air and earth, because when you eat, you got air and you're landing on earth, you're going to have the digestion take place and this is where your stomach lies. So if you have improper digestion, you have stomach issues, you have problems and the interface between air and earth is not working, you'll have shooting pain. So please practice this. So know if your pancreas are in good shape. Know whether your lungs is in good shape. And know whether your adrenalines are in good shape and know whether your stomach is in good shape. I hope this hack was useful.
Very useful, and do it, friends. Especially, you can do it anytime as you're watching TV, you're talking to someone, you can keep pressing and you can continue with your work. So stay fit, stay healthy, be in shape, keep watching our health hack videos. We have more videos for you. Make sure that you like, share and comment on this video. Do read our book SNS Family First. Have a wonderful day.
All the best.